Vijay has just reached the CBI headquarters. That's what we are getting to know. And this seems to be, as far as the second round of grilling, that would be shortly taking place. That is what we are looking at the activity where he has just left from the hotel few minutes ago, and it takes barely 5 to 10 minutes as far as to reach the CBI headquarters there. Bhavtosh getting us those pictures. Vijay has now reached the CBI headquarters.
Yes, Amita, just a few minutes back, actor turned politician Joseph Vijay arrived here at the CBI headquarters. He came in an SUV Range Rover accompanied by another Range Rover. He was immediately allowed to go inside the CBI main gate. Generally, private cars are not allowed, but given the fact that he has a security assessment or threat perception done by the local police here in the capital, he was allowed to go inside immediately. Now, the road leading up to the CBI headquarters has completely been barricaded. It took him nearly 10 minutes to come from Taj Mansingh Hotel, where he has been staying since yesterday evening, to the CBI headquarters. Second round of questioning. He will be taken onto the 10th floor once his summons copy will be checked, and then will be questioned by an officer of the rank or DSP, and his questioning will be monitored by other senior police officers. Now, what CBI has said is that around 95 questions were asked to him. These questions were in a booklet form, which were shared with Vijay, and Vijay was asked questions, quote unquote, in a sequential manner.
Yes, and that is something that would be corroborated as far as his previous statement that was recorded with the CBI. So approximately we can say at 10:30 this morning, as far as the second round of questioning of Vijay will begin at the CBI headquarters in the national capital. We'll be keeping a tab on the latest developments coming in there as far as the Karur Stampede is concerned. Back after a short break, you're watching Thanks Now.